Now, here are the things you're going to use. I have 2 cups here, and the reason why I have these 2 cups here is because I'm going to be doing 2 different recipes. Let's go on the first one. I don't know how many of you know fenugreek seed. Most of you would have heard of it. Most of you would have not. Now, but one thing you don't know about fenugreek seed is that it helps bring down constipation and it helps stomach ulcer. Inside here, I don't mix them, but I'll try to bring it out so you guys can see one after the other the fenugreek seed. Here, the small green ones you see there, those green ones in there, they are the fenugreek seed. Another thing that is very, very good for ulcer is fennel seed. I'm telling you, fennel seed, they help with the pain. You have no idea. If you have ulcer and you're feeling pains right now, like the pains are uncontrollable, take fennel seed, soak them for water. Only drink the water, you don't need the seed. The fennel seed is the round, yellowish, bigger one you see inside. The round one with the seed where it stand on top now, so it be that will be the fennel seed. I already mixed this here, so you don't have to worry about it. Now, another thing you have to add is holy basil. Now that holy basil, now they wait for. Now that thing, now I don't wait for since we make me do it and slow this thing down. Make it be very careful when you're taking holy basil. Don't let anybody go and say you bitter leaf or scent leaves in a holy basil. But in here, I have holy basil here. And what does holy basil does? It regulates your stomach acidity. Like it will regulate them for you. And now part of waiting people will be see the girl will stand the face. In fact, if you get mama or papa where you don't dey mature, where they feel this pain, you give them holy basil, you see a whole lot of difference. It's inside here already. Remember, when doing this recipe, you have to mix all of these herbs and seeds together for you to get a quick result. The next leaf I have here is mint leaf. Peppermint. Now, no way to be peppermint. Peppermint leaf. You can just... The mixture, in fact, the aroma is twisting me. And it helps build your stomach lining, the intestinal spasm, that area. It will build that for you. You need it. These are things that you take from your anti-inflammatory capsule, your tablet, from your aspirin, everything. It will help you. You need more natural things now. Now, I've talked about this. Inside also, I have what they call cumin. I don't know how many of them know cumin. It's just like fenugreek seed and fennel seed. I just need to make sure I raise it up. It's just in here. It's the dark one you're seeing. That dark color there. That's the cumin inside. The same thing, cumin, they help digestive tract. And we've talked about this. All you need to do is this. Everything there here. Take 1 spoon inside the jar. Here, you add just 1 spoon. For those people who will receive the recipe, you have it like this. You just take 1 spoon like this. 1 tablespoon. Just take my cup, raise them up, 1 tablespoon inside your jug like this. Just put them inside. I'm going to take hot water. I've been boiling this water for a long time. And you pour hot water. You have to allow it to infuse. You're not going to use normal cold water. You're not going to use cold water. You allow them to infuse inside the cup. Here. Look at the color it's giving me. This is the color it gives you. If you buy your own, if you buy this thing, say you want to do one by yourself and they don't give you this color, and you don't drink them. You buy these things, you can buy like 500 grams each, mix them all up together. All right, you just mix them together like you do. How do they color? What do they mix together? Salad. Like when they do salad, you pour everything in a bowl, mix them together, and you keep them. Make sure you keep them in a very covered place, somewhere that heat will not make them start germinating. I'm going to be giving you chamomile inside. Chamomile, this is the original chamomile. In fact, my chamomile is one in town. This will calm your nerve. This also, chamomile, they also help with digestive tract. The thing is finding the original one. Finding the original one is the goal. Make a show you now. Hi, baby. You know, see, you take 1 spoon of this, you are drowsy. You know, you're not gonna know when you go for cheer, you could just sleep. every pain where your body will calm. Even people where they get menstruation pain, that they use them. Why? To calm all those inflammation, calm the nerve, all those, you know, straining of your nerve where they feel. Those kind of things, it helps calm it. All you need is just 1 spoon in your cup. Pour your water, hot water, not cold. And then you see, hang on guys, I want to show you something. See the color change while you pour water. So as you can see, the first recipe and the second one, this one you can take it in the evening just to sleep. This will make you drowse, like you go sleep there, don't be small. And this, you take it in the morning, but please note this, that if you have ulcer, don't take anything on empty stomach. In fact, do not stay on empty stomach if you have ulcer. I don't know, I don't think even fasting is advisable for you to do if you have ulcer. You just worsen it up.